we need to evaluate the following sum. So let's begin. So first we will consider that the series is given by, represented by the sum Sn. So we have 9 plus 99 plus 999, and this goes all the way up to n number of terms. Now 9 can be also expressed as 10 minus 1. So our first term now becomes 10 minus 1. Then we have the second term given by 99, which can be also expressed as 100 minus 1. Now 100 is actually 10 squared, so we have 10 squared minus 1. Then 999, that's 1000 minus 1, or 10 cubed minus 1. So this gets added to n number of terms. Now what we'll do, we will combine the first term of each of the terms. So that means we have 10 added to 10 squared, then followed by 10 cubed. This goes on all the way up to n number of terms. Then we will add the remaining terms. We'll take negative as the common factor. So we have 1 added to 1. So 1 is added to itself to n number of terms. Now, this particular series, this is a geometric series with a first term equals to 10 and common ratio given by 10 squared divided by 10. So that's simply 10. We know the sum to n terms of a geometric progression is given by the formula a times r raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So substituting these values, we have 10 multiplied to 10 raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So that's going to be 9. Minus 1 is added to itself n number of times. So that's 1 times n. So this is simply 1 times n, which means we have the value n. So this is going to be the sum to n terms of the given series.